Hey guys, if you're trying to launch the Valorant app and it's just either not loading or not responding, then stick with me, as in this video I'm going to share with you a few ways you can fix this problem. Now, one of the most common reasons why this issue occurs is because the app's actually running in the background, but you just can't see it as it didn't load properly. So what we need to do is we need to close down any instances of the app. So we can come over to the taskbar here and just make sure to right click and exit out of Riot Games. And we also want to shut down the Vanguard app if it's running. Now, next thing we need to do is we need to press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on our keyboard to bring up the task manager. And then from the task manager, we just want to make sure we shut down anything relating to Valorant or Vanguard or the Riot client. As you can see here, I've got Riot client. So we can just right click that and click end task. Now, after doing that, you should be able to run Valorant with no problem. But if you're still experiencing issues, the next thing we can do is run the program as administrator. So to do that, all we need to do is right click the Valorant app and we want to come into properties. And then from here we select compatibility and we just want to make sure that run as administrator and disable full screen optimizations is selected, and then we can come to apply and hit OK. Now, another thing we can do is actually change our PC resolution, as sometimes the Valorant app can get confused. So we just need to right click somewhere on our desktop and come to display settings. And then from here, if we scroll down to display resolution, you want to make sure 1920 by 1080 or recommended is selected. You can also try experimenting with lower resolution sizes to see if that also fixes the problem. And now if you're still experiencing problems, the next thing we need to do is update our graphics card. So the easiest way to do that is come to an internet browser, and then we want to come to a website called drivereasy.com. And then if you scroll down the page here into the download section, and then we just hit download. Now, once you've downloaded and installed the Driver Easy app, all you need to do is hit this scan now button here. And what this program would do is it would just basically scan your computer for any outdated drivers. And then what we're looking for here is any outdated graphic card drivers. So you can see here I've got one, and all you simply need to do is hit the update button next to the graphic update, then just go through the steps to update the driver. Another thing we can do once we've updated our graphic drivers is we need to come to the start menu by pressing the Windows key and searching for the word config. And then if we come over to system configuration and then hit the services tab at the top here, and we want to make sure we hide all Microsoft services down here, and then just select disable all, and then we press apply and OK, and then we can exit without restart. Now we need to come back into the start menu by pressing the Windows key and again searching for config, and this time we're going to come to services. And again, we're going to hide all Microsoft services. And this time we want to scroll down to VGC. And we just want to make sure VGC is ticked, and we can press apply and then OK. This time we want to hit restart. And if we just go ahead and reboot our computer, and then once you've gone ahead and rebooted your computer, you can try relaunching the Valorant app to see if it's working. Now, if you're still experiencing problems, another thing we can do is delete the configuration files. So to do this, open up the start menu, and again we want to search for run. This time you want to type in %, local app data, %, and hit enter. And then from these folders you want to scroll down to find the Valorant folder. And then we just want to right click this folder and press the trash icon to delete it. You can now try relaunching the Valorant app to see if it's working. Now, the last and final thing you can do, guys, if it's still not working, is just do a clean install of the app. So to do that, you want to come to the start menu and you want to search for programs. And then if we select add or remove programs here, and then from this little search box we want to search for Valorant. Then we can come over and select these three little dots here and then just hit uninstall. Once the game's finished uninstalling, you can head back over to the Riot app and re-download the game. Hopefully by now your issue's resolved, but if you still are experiencing problems, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.